guys, long time no see. Still struggling with the carburetor on this bike. Got 1, 2, 3 carbs on the bike that I tried to fit on the bike. None of them is working, and I'm now taking the manifold out, and I can see that the rings from the manifold are not very good. I'm suspecting of an air leak on the intake manifold. I'm going to replace it and try to start the bike, and hopefully I will finish this bike for the gentleman's ride. Fingers crossed. Let's put them on. Still put a little bit of grease to hold them in place, so I think it fall. And let's put it in. Smaller plate here. I realized yesterday with the help of a friend that the issue on the bike not starting was a faulty CDI, so I took it home and I opened it, and trust me, it's not as easy as the usual CDIs to be done. Have a look at it. Well, a couple of minutes after, then I cut my finger. CDI box is open. So I just need to take this gel here, this protection. I hope I pressed deep enough to reach to the VCU plate without damaging. I'll show you in a bit. And this is your CDI. It was covered with something like cement. It's really hard all the way through. I need to tell you that I need to hammer it to break it in small pieces to reach to the CDI, to the board of the CDI. Today I'm going to work out the top of the triple crown. I wanted to put it more flat. Take these previous brackets for or supports for the original angle bars, and just to flatten this out, cut it, and then just sand it down. I'm going to trim a little bit here too. I'm thinking about putting the original speedo. We'll try to manage a way to do it. This is how it looks now. I already sand it down a little bit here, but as I said before, I want to put the original clocks getting into there, so I'm going to trim a little bit here and there, and then create a bracket so I can fit into the original yokes. That's it. I don't need more than this. So I just need to create a bracket that goes from this fixing till here, so it in place, and it's happy days. I'm happy with that. As you can see, I got this fixing, this mounting point here. I have to cut it down, drop it so the seat gets more flush with the frame, and like here, at the top, I have to trim it a little bit more higher so it drops into the frame, so I can use these fixings to fix it through the frame, and that's it. I'm waiting for the CDI to see if the bike runs and give it a little bit more of a tidy up. It's not going to be properly done. It's going to be for the gentleman's ride only, and then I'm going to disassemble everything, send the frame to powder coating, do it the proper way. But I'm running out of time, and it needs to be like that. Please. I resprayed again with primer because I was having a lot of imperfections on the previous paint jobs I did on it, so back to zero, and fingers crossed this time it's going to work. Well, those cuts went quite good. Final mock-up for the seat cowl. I'm going to take it out now. As I said before, after or later I will cut this 15 point. I'm going to drop this bracket down. Uh, it's going to be like this for the gentleman's ride. I also bought was eBay special Cafe Racer seat in case this one doesn't get quite nice after painted. And if I don't like how it's going to sit, when finally fixed, get of this height, I just put one of those eBay specials and then just go for that gentleman's ride. When I have the chance and time, I will cut this, drop the seat down, and flush it better with a cowl. But that's it. Just need to find the place where to put the rectifier, a little bit hidden, of course, and the starter motor, the CDI, and the indicators relay is going to be inside of the cowl. I might try to put everything inside the cowl. Let's see. Cheers.